Oh, hi America, how you doing today? Richard P. Noggin, Redneck Repairman Extraordinaire, Esquire, coming back at you. Well, a couple days ago, my dishwasher went kapooey. So Mama wants a new dishwasher. And the reason I went kapooey is because my son, Larry George, decided he wanted to sass back to Mama, so he can't do dishes no more, so I gotta go buy Mama a dishwasher. So we come in here looking, so I'm gonna get my 5 top dishwashers from Larry P. Noggin. First, we like here this GE. Basic, simple, does a good job, no frills, a little noisy, but hey, turn up the radio, you never hear the difference, okay? Second, let's go with the JennAir here. JennAir is a very good machine. They do a really good job, you know, a little more fancy my style, plus doesn't come in biscuit. I like me a biscuity color because that's what I got in my house. Mama wants biscuity, so good, but don't come in biscuity color, okay? Then we have, where's the Bosch at? Where I saw me a Bosch here. Here's a Bosch. Now this is for all you city slicker, highfalutin people, this Bosch. They'd be a very good dishwasher, they do a wonderful job, but little, like I said, no biscuity color. That's okay, but they still do a very good job. My fourth is my son, Larry George. Well, he was number 1, but unfortunately, Larry George, like I said, sass back to Mama, so he can't do dishes no more. So we got to go find her one. But like I said, he made back to number 1 when he lightened straight up. Now, 5th was me, but unfortunately, I can't do dishes no more because Mama said me and Busker, my dog, can't do dishes together. I don't know where she got that day. He was helping me, but for some reason, he was licking his chops. She came by, she goes, no, 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 no more for you. And finally, we're gonna have to go with the Frigidaire. Frigidaire makes a good dishwasher machine. You can't get them in the biscuity color. Now, if y'all know what a biscuity color is, it's like that tannish color, but we call it biscuity where I come from, okay? So, those are my 5 top favorite dishwashers. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and y'all come back next week for some more good information, because who knows what I might be buying. Oh, real quick, let's go this way. Mama said I can't have this one. It's dandy. This is perfect for your sipping mugs. It's a pretty little dishwasher. It's a little bit of single size, just enough room in there for all of my beer, my glasses, or whiskey, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, but it's good for me. But if I came home with that, I'd be sleeping out with my dog Busker. So can't have that. So y'all have a wonderful week. Come back and see us next time. Y'all have a good day.